It's another beautiful day in paradise in the middle of all this COVID-19 pandemic. We are definitely in full lockdown on Koh Tao. No boats getting to the island. This place is a real ghost town, but there's some guys on the island who are finding a silver lining to this whole predicament. What they've done is they've built a off-road dirt bike track on a patch of land, and what a way to spend our time. So, you know, the plan will be to come down every few days, give it a go. Came down here maybe a few days ago and it was insanely sandy. It's not been raining in a long time, so the track was incredibly hard. Driving in sand isn't one of my best skills on this bike, but really good fun. So we're going to head there now, and because we had a massive storm yesterday, we're expecting that this track should be a hell of a lot faster and slightly muddy. So I'm pretty excited about what's going to happen today. There's normally a few guys down here, so let's see who's down here today. We're going to head over to the pit lane. And here we go, first lap of this new track once it's been raining. And then we come up to this little tricky part in between the rocks. Incredibly slow down here. That's the hardest part. Just get a feel for the track over the little bump. But it's a lot more grip from the last time we tried it. This jump was a little bit tricky. Now we got down to this corner. We got to come up. This is the technical bit. We go up through the rocks. And then a really tight U-turn, and another little tight one, over a tree trunk, and then down. And then we got a bit of a hairpin, a longer one, and then a nice down into another tight. Oh, get a bit of rain. And then up we go. that was some pretty torrential rain. Really heavy in fact, so I'm just going to give it a slow run, see what it's like after rain. There we go. Over the log. Don't go too fast, we've got lots of little tree roots sticking up now. Tight corner. And drop down. Oh, Gaz has had a little bit of a crash. Whoopsie. On that note, I think that will be it for me today. Really good session today. Bit by bit, getting better and better, getting a bit more confidence. That's a bit of muddy fun on Coconut Grove. I think I'll just wait and watch Gaz. He's having a nightmare. Alright, well that's a great way to finish your day, watching Gaz absolutely stack it.